Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Bosch brand 9 kg front loader washing machine. This is 6 series model. This machine actually having problem with the inlet valve error. That means it's indicating tap indicator. That means it is water not taken to the machine. That machine actually we have to. I'm going to repair now. I will show you how to repair this one. Because this one having problem with the inlet valve, I know, because water not taken to the machine. I will show you what is the exact problem and we will go to the next step. I will show you. I already given power connection to the machine. Now I will show you what is the exact problem with the machine. This one I am selecting here quick 1530 wash option, and I will start the machine here. Now the machine actually is within few minutes. It's showing here tap indicator. That means water not taken to the machine. You can see here, this is the symptom. You can see this is the error symptom. Actually it's water not taken to the machine. Now what we can do, we have to check this 6 series eco silence drive model having inlet valve sensor also. We have to check inlet valve, also inlet valve sensor and water connection, everything. Because of that only this showing error message, this water error, inlet valve error. Now we have to resolve this issue. We have to remove the top cover, and first of all we have to check water valve sensor, inlet sensor, otherwise inlet valve continuity, everything, and we will go to the next step and we will check. First we will disconnect the power line because of the safety, and we will remove the top back of the machine top cover. Two screws are here. Now we can take it out. Now you can see here, this is the inlet valve sensor. Unfortunately it's getting defect also, water not taken to the machine. Also it will show inlet valve error message. Now we have to check continuity, and also this one working or not we can check, and I will disconnect this one. We can take it out the sensor, and after that we will check this continuity with the inlet valve. If it is not showing continuity, we have to replace the inlet valve. Now we will check, and let's see what we can do. Now you can see here this inlet valve. These connections are here. This one 3 wires are here. This one neutral. This one supply. This one supply. Because of that we will disconnect this one. Now we can check here one valve. This one common, that's mean neutral wire. This one phase, it should come to the one the 2 valve. Now I will check one by one. Now you can see here one is working. That means this valve is okay. Now we will check other one. Now you can see here, dear friends, the one valve is not showing continuity. That means one valve already got defect. Because of that only it's not working. It's not coming water inside the machine. Because of that, now what we can do, now we will check first here water supplying or not, because you have to check anyway water supply also. I know 100% this water supply into the machine, because this one I am checking my inside the shop. I will show you, it is water already here. water already connection, that's mean water supply. You can see, dear friends, water already having, but no issue with the water. Problem with the inlet valve only. Now we have to replace the inlet valve. Now I'm going to disconnect the inlet line, water line. Also, now we can take it out inlet valve. Just we have to press this one and take it. It's like that. It's very easy. And now we can take it out. Now this is the inlet valve sensor. That one also we can check, but most probably it's not getting damaged. But now I know the problem. This one valve is not working. Because of that, now I have to replace the another valve, inlet valve. This one too much hot. Actually, it's not working. Now we will replace another one. Which is I ordered this one. Actually, I purchased this one, but unfortunately, it's not the same one because the inlet valve, the sensor we cannot mount with this one. Because of that, what I'm going to do, this one also AC, this one 230 power, 220, 230, 6 volt. This one also 220 power. Because of that, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to replace this solenoid. Both we will remove very slowly and we will fix here. After that, we can resolve the problem and we will remove and we will fix again. Now I'm going to remove this solenoid valve from the original one. Very slowly we can remove this one. Actually, you can see here it's coming up like that. We can remove very slowly. But very slowly we have to do that. Very careful. Now we can take it out. One already came, other one also we can take it out. Just like that. But very careful we have to do. Don't break this area. After that, water will come out because of the pressure. We have to be patient. Actually, we have to do that job very careful. Now we can replace simply. One is not working, other one is working. Because of that, now I will remove other one also. Now I will remove this one also. Now you can see here. Now we have to use this holder, this one inlet valve. We have to use this one because this one already gone. Now I will fix here. This is the way. Actually, this side it should be, and this both inlet solenoids are okay. Because of that, I'm going to replace. I'm going to fix this one. Now we will fix simply here. You can see here, it's like that we can fix. Now it's okay. You can see here. Now it should be okay. Now we will fix and we will check. Now it should be okay. Actually, this valve already broken. Now I'm going to fix this one here. Now how to fix this one I will show you. Now we have to enter this way. After that here we can lock like that. Now it is okay. Now we will fix here 2 hoses. Now it's okay. Now we can fix here sensor connection. It's like that. Now we have to fix here. We have to give connection for the inlet valve. It should be okay now. Now we will check with the water connection. Now okay. Now we have to open the tap. Water tap. Now I already given power connection. Again I'm selecting here. I'm selecting 30 minutes. Now I will start the machine here. Now we can check. Yes dear, it is working. No any issue. Now our problem already got resolved. Both sides are working without any problem. Before water not take into the machine because one valve already broken defect. Because of that only showing inlet valve error. Yes dear friends, the pressure sensor everything is perfect. Machine is running well. We can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.